I opened my eyes and saw nothing but water. I means the writer opened his eyes and saw nothing but water. Actually, the writer was inside the water of the pool. That's why he saw only water. Water that had a dirty yellow tinge color to it. The water was dirty. That's why the color of the water was yellow. I grew panicky. Panicky means frightened. Grew means became. I mean the writer became frightened. I reached up as if to catch. Grab means catch a rope. I means the writer reached up as if he were trying to grab. Grab means catch a rope. The writer reached up as if he were trying to grab, to catch a rope, and my hands clutched only at water. But his hands clutched only at water. I was suffocating. The writer was suffocating. I tried to L means cry. The writer tried to cry, but no sound came out. But no sound came out from his mouth. Then my eyes and nose came out of the water. Then his eyes and nose came out of the water, but not my mouth. But his mouth did not come out of the water. I fled means beat, at the surface of the water. The writer fled at the surface of the water. He swallowed water and choked. I tried to bring my legs up. The writer tried to bring his legs up, but they hung as dead weights. But his legs were senseless, and the legs were like dead weights, paralyzed and rigid. Rigid means stiff. A great force was pulling me under. The writer felt that a great force was pulling him under the water. I screamed. Scream is cried. The writer screamed, but only the water heard me. But only the water heard the writer. I had started on the long journey back to the bottom of the pool. He had started on the long journey back to the bottom of the pool. It means to say that he had started going downwards to the bottom of the pool. I struck at the water as I went down. I mean the writer struck at the water as he went down. Expending means spending my strength, and he was expending his strength as one. As one means one person in a nightmare. Nightmare is horrible dream. Fights and irresistible means overpowering force. Actually, the writer was expending his strength as one person spends his or her energy in a nightmare, in a horrible dream, to fight with an irresistible means overpowering force. You might have felt they fight in the dream, and the dreamer spends too much energy in that fighting. Such type of fighting the writer was trying to do with the water. That was an overpowering force, and this force was pulling him under the water. I had lost all my breath. I means the writer had lost all his breath. My lungs ached, his lungs ached, there was pain in his lungs. My head throbbed, Thomas pulsated, his head beat pulsated. I was getting dizzy, the writer was feeling dizzy, but I remembered the strategy. But he remembered the strategy how he would come out of the water. I would spring from the bottom of the pool. He thought he would spring, jump up from the bottom. Spring means jump up from the bottom of the pool and come like a cork to the surface. And he would come out like a cork to the surface. I would lie flat on the water. He thought he would lie flat on the water, strike out with my arms and thrash. Thrash means also beat with my legs. He thought he would beat at the water with his legs and arms. Then I would get to the edge of the pool and be safe. The writer thought after coming to the surface, he would get to the edge of the pool and be safe.